This is a most awesome diagram of the human digestive system. It consists of the gastrointestinal tract plus the accessory organs of digestion, the tongue, salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components, until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The process of digestion has 3 stages: the cephalic phase, the gastric phase, and the intestinal phase. Stay with me. The first stage, the cephalic phase of digestion, begins with secretions from gastric glands in response to the sight and smell of food. This stage includes the mechanical breakdown of food by chewing, and the chemical breakdown by digestive enzymes, that takes place in the mouth. Saliva contains the digestive enzymes amylase and lingual lipase, secreted by the salivary and serous glands on the tongue. Chewing, in which the food is mixed with saliva, begins the mechanical process of digestion. This produces a bolus which is swallowed down the esophagus to enter the stomach. Pay attention. The second stage of digestion begins in the stomach with the gastric phase. Here the food is further broken down by mixing with gastric acid until it passes into the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. The third stage begins in the duodenum with the intestinal phase, where partially digested food is mixed with a number of enzymes produced by the pancreas. Digestion is helped by the chewing of food carried out by the muscles of mastication, the tongue, and the teeth, and also by the contractions of peristalsis and segmentation. Gastric acid, and the production of mucus in the stomach, are essential for the continuation of digestion. Peristalsis is the rhythmic contraction of muscles that begins in the esophagus and continues along the wall of the stomach and the rest of the gastrointestinal tract. This initially results in the production of chyme, which when fully broken down in the small intestine is absorbed as chyle into the lymphatic system. Most of the digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. Water and some minerals are reabsorbed back into the blood in the colon of the large intestine. The waste products of digestion, feces, are defecated from the rectum via the anus. There are several organs and other components involved in the digestion of food. The organs known as the accessory digestive organs are the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Other components include the mouth, salivary glands, tongue, teeth, and epiglottis. You know what they say, junk in, junk out, ha ha ha. The largest structure of the digestive system is the gastrointestinal tract, GI tract. This starts at the mouth and ends at the anus, covering a distance of about 9 meters. The largest part of the GI tract is the colon or large intestine. Water is absorbed here and the remaining waste matter is stored prior to defecation. Most of the digestion of food takes place in the small intestine, which is the longest part of the GI tract. A major digestive organ is the stomach. Within its mucosa are millions of embedded gastric glands. Their secretions are vital to the functioning of the organ. There are many specialized cells of the GI tract. These include the various cells of the gastric glands, taste cells, pancreatic duct cells, enterocytes, and microfold cells. Some parts of the digestive system are also part of the excretory system, including the large intestine. Please subscribe for more number 1 ranked spectacular anatomy videos.